Good morning, bearable traders. Unfortunately, another red day for me in terms of money, but overall a good day in terms of trading, I think. I took 3 trades today, as agreed upon with A Dog. We got into a little pact before the market opened, limiting us to just 3 entries. And for me, my reward, if I stuck to that, was I take the afternoon off and go hang out with my son. And if I bailed on that commitment, I'd spend tomorrow in the simulator. So I honored it. I'm pretty happy. And in about an hour, I'm going to take my afternoon off and go play with my son. So let's go over my trades today. I took a trade on MU, thinking it was an ABCD, a loose ABCD pattern. So I saw that it made a new high of the day here. Made a new high here at around 40.56. And it came back, was above this 9 moving average. So I thought it might resemble a little ABCD pattern. And so I went long here at 40.38 with a stop below the 9 at 40.29 and a profit target of about high of the day 40.60 and beyond. 1 to 2 risk reward, no big deal. So, but then I got stopped out, so it failed to kind of bounce on this 9. I got stopped, and then I got a little bit of little butt hurt. Try to kind of do a revenge trade on it, I guess. So I thought that I still thought that it was going to be an ABCD, so I again went long just based on this 1 minute candle at about 40.39. Same stop loss, same risk reward. Again, got stopped. And the worst part about it was that I wasted 2 of my 3 trades for the day, so kind of lost some ammo there. And I saw that this looks almost identical to a trade I took on Friday, which had these little inverted hammers and then lost the 9 and I went short. So I just wasn't paying attention to the signs. I just had some tunnel vision, and again I need to work on that. So now I only had 1 trade left, and I took that trade on NIO. And I was trying to catch a reversal. I think the setup was good. I saw that it made a new low of the day here below the 200, then made a higher low on the 5 minute, like at the 200, and then couldn't make a new low above the 200. And then it crossed over this one of the kind of lines here that Dow's drew either the previous day close or open, and it went above the 9. So I thought it was a good setup for a potential reversal. So I went long 100 shares here. My stop was, I went long at 6.91. My stop was 6.78, and my reward was a little unrealistic. I wanted to just let it ride. I thought I wanted to just keep moving my stop loss up in increments as it went higher, if it did go higher. And it didn't, so I got stopped out. Overall, 3 losing trades in the red today. Not by much, but I'm going to honor my 3 trade max today and maybe go in the sim or just continue journaling. Overall, a tough month to go live. First 2 days were green. These 2 days were red. And once these midterms are over, hopefully we can kind of stabilize in the market a little bit and then kind of catch some trends. Or I might end up catching the evening shift of the local McDonald's over here if this kind of stuff continues. So, okay, I'll see everybody tomorrow.